Hi friends, this is Summer from RaisingAFarmhouse.com, and I'd like to thank Lexington Law Firm for sponsoring this video. I wanted to come on today and share my experience working with the professionals at Lexington Law Firm to repair my credit. Credit is such an important topic that I don't think people discuss enough, and I'm not sure why, but it affects our everyday lives and it can affect your future, and it's just so imperative that you stay on top of your credit score and realize if anything negative or positive is happening with it. I got the opportunity to work with Lexington Law Firm, and it was the best decision ever. And from the moment that I called to set up my account and spoke with a representative at their call center, it was just flawless. They were so nice and understanding, and the process was just, it was easy. So I love easy. So it was amazing. They answered all my questions. I got set up, and it's been a wonderful experience. I get notifications every time anything affects my credit, so I can log in to my dashboard and see that, and then have the opportunity to call them if I have any questions. For us, we had a late payment pop up on our credit score, and I wrote a whole blog post about it. So it was just one of those things. It was unfortunate. It was an accident, but it affected our credit score like quite a bit. And we were in the process of wanting to get a refinancing home loan. We wanted to do some remodeling to our home. So I was able to work with Lexington Law Firm, and they helped rebuttal that and got it removed from our credit score, which was incredible. It allowed us to go ahead and close on our home loan, and now we're starting projects and just really making our home what we want it to be, which is, it's huge. You want to love the home that you're in. So I just wanted to share with you, if you are struggling with your credit or you feel like it's time to take the process and repair your credit, please consider choosing Lexington Law Firm. They are professionals. They've been doing this since 2004, and they know what they're doing. So I wish you the best of luck in your credit journey, and if you have any questions, you can always contact Lexington Law Firm.